Welcome to HITshow, your go-to source for today's leading healthcare business headlines. I'm your host, Steve Daly. Good morning, it's Tuesday, July 29th. The theme today? Smarter systems, faster workflows, and big bets on healthcare AI. Here are our reporters with today's headlines.
Sword Health launches a new AI division to target healthcare's operational pain points.
Innovaccer debuts Comet, replacing call centers with omnichannel AI agents.
A new Imprivata report reveals huge savings and major risks tied to shared mobile devices.
Briya introduces the first AI assistant purpose-built for clinical and epidemiological research.
And I'll wrap up today's show with a financial report covering a new unicorn and a strategic acquisition. All this and more today on HITshow. Let's dive in. First up, Sword Health is expanding beyond clinical care. Pete Betterworth has more.
Thanks, Steve. Sword Health has launched Sword Intelligence, a new AI division that aims to tackle healthcare's biggest operational bottlenecks. Originally built to scale care for over 500,000 members, these AI agents are now being made available to external providers, payers, and governments. They handle everything from triage to eligibility checks and care coordination, automating tedious tasks while preserving the human touch. CEO Virgilio Bento says the goal is to make high-quality healthcare more efficient, accessible, and scalable. These agents aren't just back-office bots. They're handling complex workflows like verifying eligibility in real time, automating triage across large populations, and even triggering outreach to high-risk members. By integrating with human teams and legacy systems, Sword claims they can deliver faster throughput while keeping quality high.
So not just cost-saving, but time-saving too. That kind of hybrid automation might be what finally unblocks some of healthcare's biggest bottlenecks. Nice move from a company already leading in AI care delivery. Thanks, Pete. Next up, could your call center become a thing of the past? Innovaccer thinks so. Teresa Vaughn has the story right after this.
HITshow is made possible by Altera Digital Health's Sunrise EHR, the flexible solution that provides tools and technology clinicians need to deliver better care, their way. The journey toward the summit of healthcare has begun, and through partnerships built on trust, Sunrise is helping healthcare organizations bring next-level care within reach.
This is Teresa Vaughn reporting this week from San Francisco. Innovaccer has launched Comet, an AI-powered access center solution designed to replace traditional call centers with 24/7 omnichannel AI agents. Comet automates more than 70% of patient interactions across voice, chat, and SMS. Live agents get AI copilots offering next best actions, real-time documentation, and referral support. The system integrates with leading EHRs like Epic and Cerner and can be deployed in under 90 days. Early adopters report significant gains in appointment conversions and staff efficiency.
Teresa, are those early adopters reporting any real-world results on Comet's performance?
They are reporting over 70% of interactions now fully automated, with referral conversions up more than 30%. Staff are also handling calls nearly 40% faster. That's a big leap in operational efficiency, especially when every minute counts.
Sounds like more than a chatbot. It's a full upgrade to how health systems engage patients. Mobile devices are everywhere in hospitals, but are they being managed the right way? Jade Romero reports on new research from Imprivata.
Shared mobile devices are now considered essential to care delivery, saving hospitals an average of $1.1 million a year. But Imprivata's new global study shows serious gaps in policy and oversight. Nearly half of hospitals lack a formal device management policy. Up to 23% of devices go missing each year, and many staff still share credentials, raising security concerns. Despite these risks, 94% of healthcare leaders say mobile tools boost staff satisfaction and reduce burnout. The challenge? Turning widespread adoption into secure, efficient practice. Clinician satisfaction and patient care depend on fast, reliable access, and delays caused by missing or unsecured devices can cascade across an entire shift. Imprivata says the fix isn't just about tech, it's about policy, oversight, and secure by design access.
Which raises the question, how many hospitals still treat mobile access like an afterthought when it's clearly mission critical now? That's an important insight for anyone managing clinical tech. Thanks, Jade. Now to a breakthrough in AI for clinical research. Xavier Banks has more.
Briya has launched Briya Air, the first clinical-grade AI research assistant built specifically for medical and epidemiological research. Briya Air acts like a virtual epidemiologist, designing cohorts, testing hypotheses, and identifying patterns in clinical data. Researchers can ask questions in plain language, and Briya Air returns precise, actionable insights. It's already being used to spot early indicators of diseases like MASH, and it's built to integrate with clinical records while protecting privacy. The goal: make life-saving research faster, easier, and more accessible.
That's the kind of AI innovation that could reshape drug development and diagnosis. Thanks, Xavier. Let's wrap with a quick look at money moves in the healthcare tech world. Ambience Healthcare just joined the billion-dollar club. The Ambient AI documentation company has raised a major Series C round, pushing its valuation past $1 billion. That deal alone brings total 2025 healthcare AI funding to nearly $1 billion, and it's only July. Meanwhile, in Canada, VitalHub is acquiring Novari Health for $43.6 million in a cash and stock deal. Novari's patient flow and access to care platforms will now be folded into VitalHub's growing digital health portfolio. Two deals, one trend. AI and operational tech continue to drive big valuations and strategic expansion in health IT. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us on HITshow. If you like these stories, please follow us on LinkedIn and check out our in-depth feature videos on HIT.show. HITshow, your go-to source for healthcare business news, can be found all the places where podcasts are heard. Please join us again tomorrow for the latest headlines in healthcare.